Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on Instagram account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Edit Profile button. There you can find bio option, which is right below username. Tap on it. Now add the text. Once you're done, tap on the tick button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add bio on Instagram account. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.